Hello, everybody. It's Jenny, the Crazy Country Couponer, and welcome back, or welcome if it's your first time here, guys. I've got awesome scenarios for you right now. We're going to get gain wasted, and you know you want to know. We're going to talk about this extra cash available to spend, and you know you want to know. So, on your way in, like the video, please. Leave an emoji and or a comment. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, let's fix you up right now. Look below and hit the subscription button and that notification bell. And that way you won't miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. Hopefully. Everybody, please check your YouTube settings and make sure that in your settings, your notifications are on as well. Thank you, everybody. Sorry for being a little MIA. Again, the weather got me between allergies and this bronchial thing. But we back up and running. And we still have a week to go to get gain wasted. So, what I mean by that is we've got that 5 off of 20 gain. That doesn't come around much anymore. So, we're going to take advantage of it this last week and all these extra gain coupons that we've got that we can use in conjunction. And so we can get this deal several ways. Now, for those of you who have been locked out of your accounts, go check them now. Okay? I've been able to get into my accounts that I was locked out of all of a sudden. So go check into them. Clip what you need to clip, but take notes, okay? Take a snapshot, take something to let you know what you have on there in case you get locked out again. Okay, that way it's not, because that's what's been getting me. I get at the store and I go to sign in because I didn't make a list of what I wanted off a set account like I used to. I used to go into the store, everything was written down just so, because, you know, I had several transactions in mind. Now I don't need to do all those transactions because it's just me. So, I try to go in there most of the time and I just wing it by what my needs are. Sometimes it works out. Most of the time it does. Such as this last weekend. I really did wonderfully this last weekend. I did 4 transactions and I saved almost $100. Yes. And I got my $5 cash back on my Little Caesar purchase. So, guys, that Little Caesar made me money. So, if you still have that 5 off Little Caesar coupon, or this cashback deal, or the 5 off Little Caesar paper coupon, because there is a paper one out there too, go ahead and do this deal. And make you a little bit of money to spend at the DG. And that's, again, what we're going to talk about. Because I know I'm not the only one that's got a little money in their DG account. So, if you got $5, then we can save an extra $5 any day of the week on, well, any deal we want to use. So, let's go have a look at some of these deals. We're going to start with looking at these gain deals. We've got so many gain coupons. We've got $1 off the 105 count gain dryer sheets, 5-ounce fireworks. These are the $4.75 products, or $4.95 depending on where you're at. $1.50 off the same dryer sheets, gain dryer sheets. And then $1.50 off the gain softeners. Now, I think this gain softener coupon, yes, it's only working on the $4.50 gain. It's regularly $4.75, but it's on sale right now for $4.50. So it is working on that. We've got the $1 off the 2 gain dish. We have a $2 Swiffer coupon on Swiffer mopping cloths or refills. And then we also have the Febreze, buy one get one free, that we can use as well. And the Mr. Clean. So we got several different ways that we can use this deal. And they are also $3 coupons for the larger flings and liquid that I don't have clipped on this account for some reason, but we have those as well. So we're going to look at some gain scenarios first, because with this extra 5 off, you can do this almost free game deal any day of the week. You don't have to wait until Saturday. But if you do wait until Saturday and everything falls into place, then, well, guess what? It's probably going to be free game. So let's have a look at some of these game deals. Okay, these deals are any day of the week. And you can use just your 5 off of game. If you have your bonus cash, you can use bonus cash. And if you've got your birthday money, you can use birthday money. Or you can use a 3 off of 15, because I hear those are floating around. So you might want to check those dormant accounts that you don't use very often. So, now, let's just hop in. We've got the 2 Febreze for $3.30. Okay? $6.50. We're going to pick up a $7.50 gain product. You've got a $2 coupon coming off. Your choice, which ones. Just scan, make sure it's attaching to the gain 5 off. Same goes for the $4.50 gain product. It's fabric softener or detergent. And then a gain 105 count dryer sheet for $4.50. You've got a $1.50 paper, digital coupon working on that. Okay, now that's $23. You've got $17 in offers, providing you've got that extra $5 spend cash. Now, if you do not have that extra $5 spend cash, your out-of-pocket for this is going to be $11. But if you do have that spend cash, no matter what amount you have, you're going to save more money. But if you've got the $5 spend cash from that Little Caesars dog food deal, then you can get it for $6 out of pocket. Now, this is a winner deal, guys. This is 5 items, $6. Can't beat that unless you go to Saturday. Now, there is no coupon for a single dish. That was a mistake on my part. That's why it's marked out, okay? So, you're at, like I said, $25. You add your additional 5 off. You're looking at $22 coming off, leaving you a $3 out of pocket for 6 items. That's 50 cents an item. Winner chicken dinner all day long. Okay, next up, we're going to do a super duper simple deal. I mean, you can't get any simpler than this. You got $3 coupons on the Gain. That is the ginormous bottle for $15.95. That's already on sale because it's normally $16.95. So it's already on sale. So you're going to pick that up, and then you're going to pick up 2 Febreze, Gain scented, of course, and you're at $22.45. And again, we've got $5 in spend cash, $5 in Gain scented products. So you're looking at $16.30, or out of pocket is $6.15. Now this is a phenomenal deal because this is like purchasing the Febreze and getting $15 worth of detergent for free. So yes, phenomenal deal. Now on Saturday, you're going to add a Gain dryer sheet to this. You're at $22.45, so you're going to add $4.50 for the dryer sheets. You do have a $1.50 coupon for that. That brings you to $26.95, and your coupons to $22.80. Your out-of-pocket will be $4.15 for 4 items. Oh my gosh. Winner chicken dinner. Because look at that. That $15.95 gain just dropped down to a little more than $1. Okay. Now, we got one more. And we're going to do that big bottle of Gain again. And this time we're just going to do a Gain fabric softener for $7.50. You got a $3 and a $2 coupon coming off. And both your 5 and 5. You're at $23.45. $15 coming off. $8.45 out of pocket. Now that's a good deal as well. Next, on Saturday, you're going to add those dryer sheets to this. It's going to bring it to $27.95. $21.50 coming off. $6.45 out of pocket. Again, it's like getting that big detergent for free. So these are 3 awesome Gain scenarios with the detergent. Next, we're going to be doing some, well, not so gainy deals. We're going to be doing some Mr. Clean, some Swiffer, the Febreze. We're going to mix it up a little bit, not just detergents, okay? So, blessings. Stay tuned. Thank you for being my friends. I love you bunches. Don't forget, leave an emoji, a comment. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Guarantee you'll enjoy us here. Make sure you read the comments. And make sure that if you've got a deal or any good information that you know we need to know, leave it in the comments. And we'll talk again real soon.